In a world where safety is everything, having the right everyday carry EDC tools can make all the difference. Today, we're counting down the top 10 must-have EDC self-defense tools for 2025. Gear that's not just useful, but could also save your life. Let's dive in. Starting off strong, we have the SABRE Tactical Stun Gun. If you're looking for a powerful self-defense tool, this is it. Extreme stopping power. With 2.517C charge, this stun gun delivers painful electric shocks enough to stop any attacker. Built-in LED flashlight. At 130 lumens, it helps you navigate in the dark or disorient an attacker. Rechargeable battery. No need to replace batteries. Just charge and go. Includes a holster. Clip it to your belt or keep it in your bag for quick access. This stun gun is compact, easy to carry, and offers peace of mind in dangerous situations. Next up, we have the CRKT Williams Tactical Pen, a discreet yet powerful self-defense tool disguised as a simple pen, fully functional writing pen. Looks like a normal pen, but it's so much more. Aircraft-grade aluminum, lightweight yet strong, perfect for striking in an emergency. Non-reflective finish, stay discreet and unnoticed. Writes anywhere, uses an ink cartridge that works in extreme conditions. A tactical pen is a must-have for anyone who wants self-defense without carrying a visible weapon. For those who prefer a blade, the Fox 479 folding Karambit is a top-tier choice. Tiger claw-shaped blade, perfect for self-defense and utility use. Made from N690 steel, strong, sharp, and corrosion-resistant. Exclusive G10 scales provides a firm grip even in tough conditions. Emerson wave deployment opens in seconds when drawn from your pocket. A folding Karambit is not just a weapon, it's a survival tool that can handle daily tasks as well. If you're looking for a non-lethal defense tool, the She's Birdie alarm is a game changer. Loud 130 dB alarm instantly attracts attention in case of danger. Flashing strobe light confuses attackers and signals for help. Compact and lightweight. Easy to carry and attach to your keys or bag. A simple, effective, and legal self-defense tool that could save your life. Next up, we have a police-grade ASP Metro Defender pepper spray, law enforcement quality, used by professionals worldwide. Cone mist spray covers a 5-foot range, reducing the need for perfect aim. Thumb safety lock prevents accidental discharge. A classic but effective self-defense tool that stops attackers in their tracks. Sometimes the best defense tool is the one that fits right in your hand. Meet the Kubaton Tactical Keychain. Designed for self-defense strikes, small but deadly in the right hands. Lightweight and compact, carry it anywhere without drawing attention. Glass breaker feature, perfect for escaping car accidents. Simple, effective, and legal in most places, this keychain is a no-brainer. For serious protection, the CRKT Provoke First Responder stands out. Kinematic opening mechanism, opens instantly with just your thumb. Glass breaker tip, ideal for emergency situations. D2 steel blade, strong, sharp, and built to last. A self-defense knife that's fast, reliable, and easy to deploy when it matters most. Another stealthy EDC tool is the Atomic Bear Tactical Pen, bolt-action pen. Writes smoothly and feels great in hand. Hidden tungsten carbide glass breaker, break windows in emergencies. Comes with online self-defense training. Learn how to use it effectively. If you want an everyday pen that doubles as a self-defense tool, this is the one. Next up, the Gerber dime multi-tool, not just for self-defense, but for daily survival. 12 tools in one, includes a blade, pliers, wire cutters, scissors, and more. Super compact, fits on a keychain or in your pocket. Perfect for EDC, camping, and emergencies. A multi-tool like this is always useful, whether you need to fix something or defend yourself. Last but not least, every self-defense kit needs a good flashlight, and the OLIGHT i3T EOS delivers. 180 lumens, bright enough to blind an attacker temporarily. Dual output modes, switch between 5 lumens for low light and 180 lumens for high power. Uses a single AAA battery, easy to replace and maintain. Waterproof and impact resistant, built for all conditions. Never underestimate the power of a flight. It can help you see, signal for help, or even stun an attacker. And that wraps up our list of the top 10 EDC self-defense tools for 2025. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next gear review. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.